lovelies, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another Spooky Box Club unboxing. So, couple of things for a couple of apologies. One being, I apologise for Josephine's current nudity. I needed the dress she was wearing and I haven't found her new outfit yet, but I promise I will soon. But right now she's a little naked back there, so I'm sorry about that. The channel just got spicy. And also just apologies for being a bit spotty with the videos. Just, life. I don't know what my life is anymore, but every time things are like a little bit good, the universe is like, no. So it's always something. But getting back to things, and I'm going to do a like proper recording session soon, get a few different videos done, including probably either like a chatty get ready with me or some sort of vlog so I can update you on everything that's been going on since I've been sort of like mostly gone for the past little while. Because there has been like a whole lot. I was in Vegas at one point quite randomly. So if you don't follow me on other social media, that was a thing that happened out of kind of nowhere. So yeah, there's a lot. There's been a lot that's gone on. And also new hair a little bit. I might add some more, but it's basically just like, the undercut isn't meant to be red, it's just that happened because like the stuff touched. So I wanted to get this shaved yesterday, but my friend was busy, so I need to shave the undercut. But it's basically like a little underlayer of just a little bit of red, but I kind of want to add more now because I actually really enjoy it. And I kind of want to, like, I love how bright it is at the roots, and I want to see if we can maybe get the bottom bits brighter. I've just messed it all up. It's fine. But yeah, new hair sort of. So I feel like I look like I'm like the token goth character in like a 90s horror movie. But I'm kind of living for that vibe. That's kind of like a good aesthetic in my opinion. Anyway, we have two spooky boxes today, which is these, and what have we got? We've got box 90, which is Candy Goth, which I am curious about. Ooh, and we have box 91, which is Hearth Witch, which I'm very excited about because I love anything sort of like kitchen witchy or anything like that. So we're doing Candy Goth first. I need to get a shelf for in here to put all my Living Dead dolls up on, but god, like doing this room, just I got so IKEA'd out that I kind of never want to go, like, which is insane because like a day at IKEA used to be like my idea of fun. I used to love IKEA, but I had to go so many times when I was sorting all this out that now I'm like, oh. So I need to get a shelf. I haven't done that yet, so all of my Living Dead dolls are in a stack up to literally here, and I've just got my spooky boxes very precariously balanced on top of there, so that's probably not good. We need to get that shelf sorted. But oh, what is that? It's cute. Okay, hold on. So I've just opened up. This is what we're seeing. Put this to the side. The candy. We've got a Mr. Chew. Tutti Frutti flavored chew. Very good. So right on top we have some sort of little bag. I love little bags. You know that TikTok audio that's like, ooh, look, a very nice box for my trinkets. Like that's me with like little bags. I love it. Okay, so a bag for my trinkets. Oh, it's like, oh, it has so many little pockets for my trinkets. So it's this cute little fucking, like, it is very true to the name, Candy Goth. We've got like little ghosts, little candy colored bats and moons and all sorts. Very, very cute. So we've got like a little pocket here in the front. Let me unzip. Little pocket on the front there. We've got zip in the back. And then on the inside you have, you know, like those like whatever these are for, and then you've also got like the little inside zip. So yeah, I feel like this would be really good for travel because it has so many little places that you can put things. Like I feel like this would be a good airport bag. But yeah, and then it has little strappies. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but I like it. Right now, red. Everything has to be red. I'm not in a pastel place. I'm like, you can convince me to buy just about anything right now if it's red. You know I go through my color phases. Do you remember the yellow phase? And of course we've had all the pink phases. It happens sometimes. Right now it's red. Oh! So there's a little pin here. What is Sebastian doing? Oi! Bothersome illegal things. Don't you complain. We've got like a little candy bone. It's like a little pink, like kind of cracked, kind of rotted, but also kind of sparkly bone pin. And that's cute. And I like that the back's like a little heart. Oh! And we have the same pin again, but in like a lilac-y purpley color. And in the back matches. How cute. What is this? What are these? Oh, are these for like your shoes perhaps? Like little, my guess for these is that you like, they little like smiley bats. My guess is that you like put your shoelaces through these holes and then like, you know, they're like on the front of your shoes. That would be what I assume these are for. And they're really, really cute. I wonder what shoes I have that these would go well on. Maybe like my gym shoes or something these would be cute for. Yay! I'm trying to think like what all I have with laces. I don't know, I feel like that would be a cute vibe for the gym. Oh, there's another little bone pin. And this one is white. So we have a pink, a purple, and a white. And then the back of this one's like a little black heart. That's really cute. I don't want to put these on my jacket, but then the pastel ones wouldn't really match the vibe. Maybe I need to start a whole new jacket. Maybe that is how we deal with that. Oh, there's more little things that I had assumed were for your shoes, but these only have like one hole each, so I don't know how you'd secure. I'm not sure how you'd secure these ones. Let me just. Yeah, so maybe I'm wrong, but maybe you could still like just like a little tag on the side or something, like they wouldn't sit, or would they? I don't know, I can't think, but I'm still thinking these are for shoes. We will find out at the end. We have little clips. So they're little like batty clips. I'll put one in just for a second so you can see, but I probably can't keep it in because it doesn't match the vibe today, but like cute. Oh, I do have like a little pastel phase sometime soon so I can make full use of all of this, but for now it is just making me happy being in my little collection of cute things. I want to set up like somewhere in this room to display all of like the more sort of cutesy accessories because it matches the vibe a little more, but I don't really know how or where. That is a project for another time. Since this is the Candy Goth box, we have some more candy. We have double lollies? I don't know, but it has like a little monster on it. You see? And then like these things. I could like never be bothered with these as a kid. For one, I always like struggled to get them open, but also I was so impatient I'd always end up like biting them before I could finish them, but they were nice. These definitely remind me of like Halloween as a kid. Oh, this is making me think even more that those things are for lace. Even more these things are for laces because we've got, you cannot see at all, 2 pairs of satin ribbon laces. There is a pink pair and a like lilac pair, and I love replacing my laces with ribbons. I think it's so cute. So yeah, they're just like little ribbons, but they're like, you know, shoelaced at the end. So yeah, I'm assuming you put these in your shoes and then you add the cute little things on, and yeah. Again, what shoes do I have? What? And there is also the lilac pair. And there's one more thing in the box. Oh, cute! Oh, this is fucking adorable, huh? These little bat and moon earrings, how fucking cute is that? Oh, I love them. Hello? Hello? So, did we finish? No, we didn't. I was gonna move right on. This one's kind of heavy. Okay, so for the Candy Goth box, we got the custom-made ultralight ghost print crossbody bag, compact size with lots of pockets for organizing your things. Yes, we did get that, and I'm very happy. I love pockets for my trinkets. We got the custom-made baby bat moon earrings. Yes, pink candy bone enamel pin. Yep, white candy bone enamel pin. Yep, purple candy bone enamel pin. Yep. We got a pair of bat snap hair clips. We did. Sweet pastel satin laces, yes, in sugar pink and candy violet, Custom made spooky boot charms, I was right. For your oh, skates. Oh, I really do want to start roller skating, but I'm like, I don't want to do it alone, but then I'm afraid to convince any of my friends to do it with me, because like, what if they get hurt? And then it'll be my fault. I really want to roller skate. Spooky boot charms anyway, for skates, shoes, we've got the bats and the skulls, yep. And then the candy of the month, yes. So we got everything in that one. Now it is time for Hearth Witch. I am looking forward to this one. Ooh, okay, so the top isn't giving very much away at all, so we're gonna have to start digging in. Oh, what's that? What is it? Oh, that's cute! Oh no, I love this. Okay, hold on. Let me take it out of its little package so you can see it. So it goes with this, which is a dry wipe pen. And this is like a magnetic, so you can put this on your fridge and like write little notes. Like, look how nice this design is. Oh, that's gonna look so cute in my kitchen. And for ages, I thought that my fridge couldn't take magnets. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe if we had a different fridge. Maybe it was the fridge in Lisburn. I remember like trying to put a magnet on a fridge and it wouldn't take. So I assumed it was the fridge here, but maybe that was when I lived in Lisburn for like 2 months. It was that fridge that wouldn't do it. But basically, came back from Vegas with some little fucking like cheesy Vegas magnets because I was like, I want like a stupid touristy souvenir. I was like, oh, where am I gonna put these? My fridge won't, and then they just stuck on my fridge and I was like, so now I know this can also go in my fridge and I can write like if I need to like remember things, and even just like as a decoration by itself, it's really cute. I'm very happy with this. Yay! These are cute. So these are like little sort of like kind of salt and pepper shaker looking earrings. Those are adorable. One is purple and one is pink. I have to say I would really prefer these if they weren't pastel, just because for me, whenever I'm in like a witchy phase versus when I'm in like a pastel phase, those are totally separate worlds. Like there will be no pastel in my witchy stuff. Like my witchy stuff is like earthy. Like I love like greens and like moss and dirt, you know, so like it doesn't match up with my vibes, but they are still really cute and I think I could get past my aesthetic issues. But yeah, like that's like not a problem, that's like a personal thing, which I recognize, but they're still very, very cute. Oh, one has like little sparkles and one has little heart. Adorable. Oh, cute, we have some necklaces, and again, it's a shame that they're like pastel-y themed because I'm like, but I love them anyway. Hold on. Oh, this is a very long necklace. So this one is like a little whisk with a little pink handle and a little bat, and at least I think it's a whisk. It looks like a whisk to me, which is really cute. And then there's also, how cute is the little cauldron with the little fucking bow hanging off of it. Oh, I love it. Hold on, let me like put them side by side. Hee. The cauldron has like a little sort of face on it as well. Ah, they all match really well. It'd be cute to wear all of that as like a little set. Hey, we have candy. Way to make that as awkward as possible. I don't know how it... They look like some sort of like caramel-y type things. What's this? Oh, that's fucking cute. So first of all, I'm so glad this isn't pastel. I love this. It's like a little, it's got like all little kitchen-y things. It's got the same little cauldron and like the little fucking whisk and then all sorts of other little kitchen-y things, which is really good. That reminds me, I need to buy knives. I don't have a bread knife, but I love buying like sourdough bread and so trying to cut slices. Maybe I'll get a bread knife today. Really cute. Has it got teeth? It's got little teeth everywhere and bones. Oh, I love this a lot. And what it is like a little binder. So I'm assuming that the idea for this, since it's like kitchen-y, is maybe like recipes, which is such a cute idea, but you could use it for like literally anything. If you wanted to use it for like school notes or anything, you could. But it definitely seems like it's intended to be like a recipe type book, and it's so cute. I love this. Maybe this will encourage me to start like writing my recipes down, because right now I just throw stuff in a pot and hope for the best, and people are like, oh, what's the recipe? And I'm like, fuck if I know. But yeah, that is so cute. And again, like I wonder if I can find somewhere in my kitchen that I can like display this, because it's really cute and it would match really well. Oh! Never mind what I was just saying. Well, fuck. Okay. Presumably, hold on. Can you see that at all? Kinda. Oh, get all the angles. It is a recipe, like a bunch of little recipe cards. Let me try and get the holes lined back up, and then I can put them in the thing. Hold on. Yay! So now it's a little recipe book, so it has a place for ingredients, directions, and notes. It even has like gas mark and servings. That's really cute. I love this. Okay, well that's definitely going in my kitchen. Oh, along with bread. Where's the wormswort? There it is. Like, just like kitchen is gonna slowly become a vibe. More spooky kitchen shit, please. And then, oh, where's the last thing? Apothecary jar labels. I wish these were black. I love pastels, but they have a time and a place, but these are still very cute, and I would maybe make an exception. So it's like, for all of your herbs and spices and stuff, if you got little jars, then it's like these cute little like tombstone labels. There's a lot. Like star anise, curry leaves, peppercorn, sesame, like there's absolutely everything you could ever need. I really do want to use these because they're really cute. Oh, did I see a lavender one? No, I didn't make it up. I did see it down at the bottom. I could put that on my lavender thing. Okay, well, I would need to get jars. It would be worth it. Okay, cool. So yeah, oh, it's over. Well, we've got the thing to read. I got so carried away with everything, I forgot that was the last thing in the box. Okay, we have the custom-made Hearth Witch recipe binder. Yes, we've also got the Hearth Witch recipe page inserts. We do. Magical salt and pepper pot earrings. Bat whisk long necklace. Yes. Bubbling cauldron necklace. Yes. Apothecary jar labels for your herb and spice collection. Yes. magnetic dry wipe witch board, yes. And the spooky box candy of the month, yes, because I dropped them, I remember now. Okay, so yes, that is everything in the boxes. So thank you so much for watching. So before you go real quick, what? Come here. So before you go, for one, there has been progress made on the Sebastian plush. That is something that's happening, so keep an eye out. Two, if anyone is wanting to come to Monster Queen, keep an eye out on my Instagram if you can, please. Because every now and again I put up a little thing on my Instagram stories asking for anyone who wants to be put on the guest list. So I've been doing it that way. I just need like a name, I can pop it on the guest list, and then that gets you into Monster Queen like the cheapest way possible, and then I can maybe see some of you there. Other important notes. Patreon, as always, is super, super important. Very important right now, like I mentioned, like at the end of last year, you know, I've been dealing with solicitors and stuff, so I've got all that to deal with. So Patreon is the best possible way to support me and this channel and everything else. Thank you very much to everyone who is currently supporting me on there. You guys are amazing. It also buys this boy the pouches, the wet food that he loves. Thank you very much. Oh, I haven't taken my piercings out, by the way. I'm just not wearing like proper jewellery in them right now because I lost some of it, so I need to fix that. I just remembered. Patreon, yes. And yes, I will be back soon with life updates and catching you up on everything that's been going on. And I did try to vlog Vegas. I haven't had a look back at the footage yet to see if I got a cohesive vlog because it was all very like all going crazy and I have attention issues, but I did try to vlog, so I'll just have to see what all footage I got and if it all makes a vlog. I'm sure I can do something with it, so that is also something to look forward to. But in the meantime, we are gonna go, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies! Bye, lovelies!